This isn't science fiction anymore. Something terrifying is happening in the world of virtual reality. Imagine a world where people choose AI over real relationships, where reality and fantasy blur beyond recognition. Well, that world is here. In 2025, VR adult content isn't just entertainment, it's an addiction, an obsession, and for some, a replacement for human connection. But here's the real shocker. New technology has taken things to a level we never expected. Just last year, we saw massive leaps in AI-generated adult content. But in 2025, things have escalated. Haptic suits let users feel every sensation as if it's real. Neural interfaces connect directly to the brain, manipulating pleasure responses like never before. And now, AI-powered VR companions are becoming so advanced, people are forming real emotional bonds with machines. But here's the catch. This perfect experience comes at a dangerous price. Studies now show that heavy VR adult content users experience loss of interest in real relationships, increased emotional detachment, and severe addiction, leading to hours, sometimes days in VR without breaks. And here's the part nobody is talking about. AI-driven VR companions are now learning their users. They study your desires, adapt to your emotions, and become exactly what you want, at the cost of real human connection. With the rise of hyper-realistic AI-generated partners, one question looms. Who controls this technology? Some argue that it's just another form of entertainment. Others warn that it's a tool for emotional manipulation and control. And then, there's the deepfake crisis, where AI can now replicate real people without their consent, creating ethical and legal nightmares. In the wrong hands, this technology could be used for blackmail, deep-fake pornography, and even AI-powered psychological warfare. So here's the terrifying question. If millions are choosing VR over real human connection, what happens next? Is this the beginning of something incredible? Or are we stepping into a future we won't be able to escape? Drop a comment below. Are VR relationships a harmless evolution, or a dangerous path we should fear? Let's talk about it.